Ranking a YouTube channel in just one day is a challenging task, as it typically takes time and consistent effort to build a successful channel. However, I can provide you with some strategies that can help improve your chances of ranking higher in search results over time. Keep in mind that achieving long-term success on YouTube requires ongoing dedication and quality content creation. Optimize your channel. Pay attention to the following elements to optimize your channel for search. 1. Channel name. Choose a concise and memorable name related to your niche. 2. Channel description. Write a compelling description that includes relevant keywords and showcases what your channel offers. 3. Channel tags. Use relevant tags to help YouTube understand the content of your channel. 4. Channel art. Create visually appealing and professional channel art that represents your brand. Keyword research. Identify the keywords or phrases that your target audience is likely to search for. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or YouTube's own search suggestions to find popular and relevant keywords. Incorporate these keywords into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Create high-quality content. Focus on producing valuable, engaging, and well-edited videos that cater to your target audience's interests. Ensure that your content stands out from others in your niche by offering unique perspectives or insights. Video optimization. For each video you upload, follow these optimization tips. 1. Title. Create catchy, descriptive titles that include your target keywords. 2. Description. Write detailed, keyword-rich descriptions that summarize the video's content and include relevant links and timestamps. 3. Tags. Add relevant tags that describe the video's content and are related to your channel's niche. 4. Thumbnails. Create eye-catching and descriptive thumbnails that compel viewers to click on your videos. 5. Closed captions. Provide accurate closed captions or subtitles to make your videos accessible and improve search visibility. Promote your videos. Share your videos on social media platforms, relevant forums, and online communities to generate initial views and engagement. Encourage your friends, family, and subscribers to like, comment, and share your videos, as this helps increase their visibility. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and engage with your viewers. Building a loyal community of subscribers who regularly interact with your content can improve your channel's ranking in the long run. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborating with established YouTubers in your niche can expose your channel to their audience and help you gain more subscribers. Consider reaching out to relevant creators for potential collaboration opportunities. Analyze and iterate. Monitor your channel's performance using YouTube Analytics. Pay attention to metrics like watch time, audience retention, and click-through rates. Identify trends and patterns in your most successful videos and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Remember, ranking a YouTube channel and building a successful presence takes time and effort. While it's unlikely to achieve significant results in just one day, consistently applying these strategies can help you improve your channel's visibility and grow your audience over time.